Hello guys, welcome to Cyberman443 official YouTube channel. If you want to have a phone inside your computer, you want to have multiple phones, and you don't have so much money to buy each one, by money. So you can have different phones inside your computer. In this video, we're gonna go through how to have a phone inside your computer. It can be any type of phone, like any model that you love to have. Okay, let's go to Chrome. Just search BlueStacks. And here, this is BlueStacks site. Here you can just download it, and it's done. I have downloaded BlueStacks before and I installed, but you can just download it from their official website and install it so easily. It will need an internet connection and it's all. Now let's go to BlueStacks. Here we have our BlueStacks. Let's go to settings. Here you can give like CPU, many cores that you want according to your CPU, like here. Let's go to Task Manager, Performance. Here you can see this is my CPU, 1 socket, 4 cores, 8 logical pairs. So you can give your CPU according to how much you have. Okay, here, and you can give your RAM like 4 GB, 2 GB. For me, 4 GB because I have 12 GB of RAM. Same as CPU, just come to your Task Manager, Performance, and here you have your RAM too. Just give like 30% of your RAM because you will need your RAM in your computer too, Here it can be balanced, high performance, low memory. If your memory is like maybe less than it has to, like 2 GB is the medium, but 1 GB is not so good. Less than 1 GB is not good at all. Okay, so for that you can change the performance too. Also frame rate, it can be from 1 to 60. It will be according to your CPU, so you have to use less frame rates. If your CPU is not working so good, like your computer is not so good, enable high frame rate, enable VSync and match mode. Here, not important. Your display, you can change your display from different sizes, landscape, portrait, ultra wide, and also your pixels and your mouse cursor style. Here in graphics, if you have GPU, you can activate this one and it will use your GPU to render graphical things. So because of that, it will be so faster. Or also your audio, give a speaker rate, microphone, also gamepad, preferences. You can change the language and match mode. You can change your device. Here different models, like I use OnePlus 5, but you can select from these models. Or if the model that you love to have is not here, like for me, for now, let's select this one, save changes. But if the model you want is not here, just create a custom model, and here you can give the manufacturer, brand, model, and it will be added to this list. Also some shortcuts, you can create some shortcuts or you can use predefined shortcuts, and also your user data, you can free up your space and advance. You can activate ADB Android debug for each, or input debugging and match more. And this is about BlueStacks. Check for updates. You can update your BlueStacks too if you installed it many days or months ago. Here you can see I'm inside my BlueStacks. I can change it, the size here, or here I have the sound. This is about full screen. Let's skip. And here when you click, your mouse will be locked inside this BlueStacks. But when you click skip, you'll be skipped. And keyboard. Also you can record and you can take screenshot. You can go to your media folder, like you can import something or export something. As we said here, you can change this portrait, so it can be horizontal portrait. You can check your device. Here you can see it's about your map, this about multi-instance manager, and this about your performance and match mode. Here inside it, you can see I have my Facebook, I have my Telegram, Snapchat, Chrome, and my Play Store, anything I want. Let's click on Facebook. Here you can see I'm inside my Facebook and I can use my Facebook. You can see. Also Snapchat and any application you want. If your computer is good enough, like it has good CPU, it has good RAM, and it's like Core i7 or more, or about its generation and much more, it will work so perfectly, especially if you have GPU or dedicated RAM, And yeah, it's all. If you want to use BlueStacks, just go download it and use it. It's one of the best. and we'll have some videos about other apps like emulators that you can use different models of phone inside your computer. We'll have different videos and you can go try them and learn how they work. And thank you so much, guys, and just subscribe our channel, like this video, hit the bell button and share it to your friends. Bye for now.